we're walking in the shed now, so I could show you the reorganization. Well, I pulled these out from the back, and got a little hole back there, as you can see. I'm trying to hold this door open and do this video. Lord bless it. But anyway, I reorganized the insulation. I got his power tool stuff over here, his pressure washer and his compressor, and his tools over in the corner. The table turned around. A lot of clothes went through and took out. A lot of clothes that's got to be washed. So I'm getting somewhere. Got his stuff over here on this side. Got a fan, umbrella I'm going to put up and make a little place for me and him to sit out in the sunshine. So we have a shade to get under. Anyways, in our little green chairs when they're spread out. Anyway, have a blessed day.